Hey everybody, this is Ken from RecPro, and today we're going to be replacing the motor and fan blade for the AC 3800 and 3501. This is a quick and easy replacement. It should only take you 15 to 30 minutes to do. The tools that you're going to need for this will be a Phillips bit with an impact, an extension for that impact, a socket set, a pair of needle nose pliers, and something to cut a zip tie with. And remember, if you don't know what you're doing or don't feel comfortable doing this, make sure you contact a local professional to do this for you. Before anything is done, also make sure that your main power is turned off to the unit. Let's get straight into it. You'll need to remove the shroud on the AC unit. This is held on by 6 Phillips head screwdrivers. For more details on where those are at or how to do this, click the link in the description below. Now that the shroud is off, we'll need to locate the main electrical box. This is right next to the compressor. To get into the main electrical box, you'll need to remove the cover. This is held on by 6 Phillips head screws. The cover should slide straight off once these are removed. Now that you can see the main electrical board, we recommend taking as many pictures as you need so you make sure you wire it exactly the same way. Now go ahead and locate where your outside fan wires are plugged in and remove them. Now go ahead and remove the outside fan blade wires. While removing the wire, make sure to cut all zip ties holding it into place. To be able to remove the outside fan, motor, and blade, you'll need to remove the 2 metal support brackets on top. These are held down by 8 Phillips head screws. There are 2 more Phillips head screws holding the fan motor in place at the bottom of the metal bracket. Then to get the fan motor and blade out, you'll just need to pull out and twist the blade as it comes out. Now you just need to remove the nut in the center of the fan blade. This is a counterclockwise thread. At this point in time, if you are just replacing the fan blade, you can now stick the new fan blade on, matching the flat surface on the motor to the flat surface on the blade, and tighten and put everything back together. However, if you're replacing the whole motor, you will still need to remove the 4 Phillips head screws holding the motor onto the bracket and the 1 golden Phillips head screw. Now it's just as simple as putting the new motor in place, securing it with the 4 Phillips head screws and the 1 golden Phillips head screw, and resecuring it back in place. You can now stick the new fan blade on, matching the flat surface on the motor to the flat surface on the blade, and tighten and put everything back together. Slide and rotate the new fan blade and motor back into its original spot. Secure the metal bracket down with the 2 Phillips head screws. Secure the 2 metal support brackets on top with the 8 Phillips head screws. Run the wire the same way it was run previously, make sure to zip tie it in its old spots. Reconnect your wires to your main electrical board. Make sure you use your pictures as reference. Then just place the cover back onto the main electrical board box, screw it back into place, and then finally put the shroud back on. As you can see, this was a quick and easy replacement, and again, should only take you 15 to about 30 minutes. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like and subscribe. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.